sacrifice to get by. Can't waste money, can't waste time. Bet you can't jump up this high. Bet you can't jump up this high. Bet you can't jump up this high. Bet you can't jump up this high.
What's up, my people? Back at it. Man, I see something I like. Boy, I see something I like. I think we can make this happen. Yes, sir. I think this is a nice place right here. See if we can get this. Yeah. Yeah, y'all remember this video when I was right here? Yeah. Boy, this will be amazing. Yeah. This pocket? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? Yeah. First day in the shop. Boy, God is good. Yes, sir. God is good. Oh, hold on, my bad. I'm dimming y'all with some lights. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, sir. Party time. Yeah. So what's up, my beautiful people? We in here. Okay. We got the phone. Hey, give us a call. Internet. Yeah, nighttime working. Shout out your boy. Yeah. Let's see. How may I take your order? What you need? Some spark plugs? Some oil? Oh, okay, some oil. It's over there, grab it. Yeah, bring it to the register right here. Oh man. But yeah, it's time to put a disc in. Let's see where Tiffany wants to put the disc. We will see. We will see. Stay tuned. Y'all get to see the making of the shop. Perfect Reaction Powersports. Yes, sir. What's up, my people? We here about to get the windows tinted. We got my main man coming through, Greg. Hey. About to get it done.
Yeah, dude, this is gonna look good.
Hey, I know. Yeah, coastal tinting. If you need your windows tinted in your building, residential. What all you do?
Residential and commercial tinting, and also the security films. So, you need impact protection or heat reduction, minimize the spike that sets the AC behind the 8-ball. Film can really help with that.
And what's your, how can they get in contact with you?
Give us a shout at 843-828-8468, or you can look at us at coastaltinting.com, also on Facebook, Coastal Tinting, and find us there.
All right.
Awesome, thanks.
Andrew's here on the inside.
Good?
Yep.
All right.
tin over here, but it's not. Gonna see. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Check out the back office. What we got going on in here? Okay. Restroom. Gotta put a mirror up. I'm gonna let my wife handle this. She's a decorator. So, y'all leave some ideas in the comments, you know. Tell us what you think. What you think I should make this room? You know? I'm thinking about making this my YouTube room for my, you know what I'm saying? My videos, my editing. You know, my own little personal office. If you got any ideas for me, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think I should put this. I need y'all help. This is our shop. Yeah. Me and y'all, my followers. How should we fix up our shop? Talk to me. Yeah, y'all gonna be with me through beginning to the end. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, we done put some stuff in here now. Oh, they done gave the wrong one the key. Yes, sir-ree. We got these airlines. Oh yeah, I got my phone working. Yeah. Yeah. All right, my people. So we going from being able to see what's inside. You know? So now, mirror tint. Huh? Yeah. Well, I'm excited. Y'all just don't understand. If y'all can see the excitement through this phone, oh man. Yeah, can eat breakfast. Hospital. Yeah. Let's see what we look like across the back. Let's see. One more friendly reminder. Got a po-po at the back of us. Yeah, police station. Yeah, my friends. Wee wee. Can't tell me on like the cops. I'm a suburban kid. I grew up in the suburbs. I'm not a gangster. Now it's time for the logo. Next. All right, my people. Yes, sir. Got the tint on now. Good to go. Yeah, y'all see me? Your boy growing some braids, man. We ain't gonna talk about the hair right now. We're doing the braids. Yeah, we through with the dreads, going with the braids to give us our power back. Yeah. Time. Chocolate mirror. Yes, sir. Look at that. That boy good. Them fellas good, what? Look at that. Smells sucker clean now. Not bad. moving on up. Yes, sir. Gotta get that alarm system for you. Yeah, let's see what she say. Huh? Front door open. Yeah, we ready now. Yeah. Keep stepping on up. It's coming along. It's coming along.